Hey, this morning I set the alarm early to catch a train to Suffolk. It is Day Trip Friday. I am meeting up with my friend Henrietta Inman. You might remember her from a previous recipe video I did. Her folks live here in Suffolk. She told me that Suffolk is the best escape from the big city hustle and bustle. And she invited me out here. We're gonna eat amazing food, cook amazing food, and hang out. Sounds like a good day, right? So let's have a Suffolk day with Henrietta. Hi, Henrietta!
Welcome to Suffolk.
Thank you!
Are you ready to go to Pump Street Bakery?
Yeah, let's do it! I am so excited to be going to Pump Street Bakery because I think that I have the impression that this is like where unicorns are born, and I don't know, I've heard so many great things.
True. Unicorns in bread form.
Yeah, unicorns in bread form.
Hello.
Smiley Paul, do you want to be in my YouTube video? What's your favorite food item to get here?
A small granary.
Yeah, is that what you just got?
We buy that for all our guests that stay in our house. Donuts go down rather well as well.
Yummy?
Oh my god, it's so good. What's not to love about everything happening right here?
Crunch from the sourdough, the pine nuts, softness and creaminess of the ricotta, sweetness of the honey.
I am loving
Oh my
Henrietta
God.
as narrator right now. And I love her giggles. Best cameraman, right?
Cut.
Suffolk, I mean, this is so adorable.
It is pretty picturesque. We're in Orford, which is a lovely village or small town. Beautiful church. So we just had our breakfast at Pump Street, and now we're gonna go to Pinney's of Orford, which is a lovely smokehouse.
Ooh.
So they do really good smoked fish, and then they also have a lovely restaurant called the Butley Oysterage. So if anyone comes to Suffolk, Pump Street, the Oysterage and Pinney's should be on your list. I'm just doing a little bit of kneading. It doesn't really need much because it's a flatbread.
We are making a dish from Henrietta's new book, The Natural Baker, and a lot of the ingredients we're grabbing outside in the garden.
You know when you buy Rocket in a supermarket, it doesn't taste of anything? They're really good.
Sorrel?
Wild strawberries.
Ooh!
They taste like candy.
Oh my gosh, it just like bursts with flavor. It's so good.
So it's a kind of Turkish sort of filled flatbread. It's called a gozlem, and it's nice because you can put anything you want inside. We're doing a vegetarian filling, and you want to keep on picking it up to make sure it's not sticking. Let's start with some Baron Bygod.
Yeah.
It's delicious, right?
It's amazing.
It's raw milk cheese.
Oh, we're gonna fill it with such good stuff.
Obviously it's gonna melt when we put it on the hot plate. We want to make a sort of envelope. And just don't be scared. Don't be scared of it all. You've got to be quite confident, and don't worry if there are a few holes. And then you want to roll it out basically.
So you can really like fill these with anything you have on hand, pretty much?
Yeah, roast vegetables in the fridge or something from the day before, or tomatoes would be delicious. Yeah, really, really versatile. Meat if you want to, as I said. Mince is nice. Yay!
Killer.
That's it. Well done.
Time to eat. Let's go al fresco. Oh my goodness, Henrietta, this looks amazing.
Good.
It's great. But Henrietta, thank you for showing me a great day in Suffolk.
It's not over yet.
Oh yeah, we still gotta go to the North Sea.
All right, here goes nothing.
Are you doing it?
I don't know what to do.
Really?
Hey Suffolk, you've been good.
As always, don't forget to keep it quirky.